Everybody. So this is a short series on how do you wipe code with VS Code, and you don't need to have any coding knowledge to get started with this. This is more meant for non-developers. So what is wipe code? Wipe coding is a term that was popularized by Ante Karpati in early 2025, and it has become so popular that it has even leaked its way into presentations by people in the enterprise who want to popularize a specific coding LLM like Cursor or GitHub Copilot. So the concept is very simple. You, instead of writing code and creating the app, you just prompt the LLM what you want and you get some code. You test the code, compare it against what your earlier intention was, and you loop it, iterate through the loop again and again until you get the desired end result. So that is the simple way to define wipe coding. And coming to how do you wipe code in VS Code, so from the official Microsoft website you download the latest VS Code. I'll be using 1.106.0, and once you open the ID for the first time you will see this welcome page and other things. You just have to keep a few things in mind. So one is, if you select Explorer, the shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+T. Just click on this. You get an option to see the file explorer. So when you open the folder, you can select any specific folders where you have kept code, or if you want starting a new project, you can just select a new folder. So I'll be selecting a new folder here. Once you select it, so here I have my project. You can see it's like called sample project, and you can create new files using this icon or create new directories using this icon. And if you click on the top icon called toggle chat, then it opens up this chat window. So you might see it on the right side. That's the default view. For me, I have set it to left side. And this is the GitHub Copilot, which you would have to prompt here to get started with building your app. So in this case, you'll see three main things that are important. One is add context, and the other things are these two drop downs. So when you open the drop down, if you have the latest version of VS Code, you will see these four options by default: agent, plan, ask, and edit. So I'll start with ask. Ask is, if you have a directory loaded here and you want to ask something, questions related to that specific code project or files in that directory, then you can just click on ask. These are all the models available with VS Code. So whatever is written as 0x, those are models that you can use unlimited and there is no budget for that. For the models that have 1x, 10x, these are basically tokens, and there's a token budget that you have associated with each model. It's called a premium request, and as you keep consuming this meter gets filled up and you have to wait till the end of the month for this to reset. So with ask, you can basically ask questions with your file directory. And when it comes to other options, edit gives the option for the LLM to edit your files. With agent mode, you have the option of the LLM to edit the files, and also it has the ability to use tools. So if you click on this tool icon, you'll see a lot of tools. Some are built in, some are integrated externally, which I have installed. If you are new, you will probably only see the built-in tools. It has tools to open a simple browser, edit files in your workspace, etc. So all of those tools can be usable in agent mode. This is like a simple overview of VS Code. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to get started with wipe coding.